Welcome to my channel. I'm your host GL, and today's video is packed with easy exercises about stainless steel welding. Which of the following elements is considered an austenite stabilizer in stainless steel? A. Chromium. B. Molybdenum. Nickel. D. Silicon. E. Titanium. The correct answer is C. Nickel. What is the primary purpose of the Schaeffler diagram in welding stainless steel? A. To determine welding voltage. B. To predict the microstructure of the weld metal. C. To calculate welding speed. D. To select filler metal diameter. E. To measure weld penetration. The correct answer is B. To predict the microstructure of the weld metal. By the way, if you're enjoying the video so far, do me a quick favor and hit that like button. It really helps support the channel, and it only takes a second. What does the x-axis of the Schaeffler diagram represent? A. Austenite content. B. Ferrite content. C. Martensite content. Chromium equivalent. E. Nickel equivalent. The correct answer is D. Chromium equivalent. If you're looking for more exercises to test your knowledge, there's also a link in the description for you. Thanks for sticking around till the end. If you enjoyed the video and want to see more content like this, make sure to hit that subscribe button. Thanks for watching.